Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can stop getting notification from someone's Instagram live. Alright guys, let's get started. Here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone, and the first thing you have to do is clicking on our profile button right here. And then you are going to select this button on the top right corner of your screen. Just tap on it like this, and then you can click on settings and privacy, and you're going to click on notification setting. So this is the notification setting. Tap on it, and since we want to turn off the live notification, we can click on live and reels. Just tap on it, and then just look for the live videos. Okay, and this is the live videos. And if you want to stop getting notification from live videos on Instagram, you just need to click on off button right here. Okay, and now you won't get notification from someone's Instagram live. Alright guys, and that's how we can stop getting notification from someone's Instagram live. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this tutorial is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.